Alright, let's take this question. Find the derivative of x squared plus y squared is equal to x plus y plus 8. Okay? Alright, we are asked to find the derivative of this function with respect to x. Now let's go. We have differentiating with respect to x. We are going to have the derivative of x squared is going to give us 2x plus the derivative of y squared is going to give us 2y dy dx. Hello. The derivative of y squared is going to give us 2y dy dx. Now we have equal to the derivative of x will give us 1. Then the derivative of y is going to give us dy all over dx. Then derivative of 8 will give us 0. Now let's go. We are having 2x plus 2y dy dx is equal to 1 plus dy all over dx. Okay? Now let's go. From here, let's collect the like terms, the ones that are having dy dx. Let them come to one side. Okay? So that means we're going to have 2y dy all over dx. Now when dy all over dx is coming to this side, it will be minus dy all over dx is equal to, we have 1. We take 2x to the other side, it will be minus 2x. Okay, from here, let's factor out dy all over dx. So when we factor out dy all over dx, we are going to have 2y minus 1. Okay, now let's put this 2y minus 1 in bracket to be equal to 1 minus 2x. Okay, from here now, let's make dy dx the subject. Let's dy all over dx stand alone. That means we are going to divide both sides by 2y minus 1. So in so doing, we're going to have dy all over dx, open bracket 2y minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 2x. Okay, now let's divide it by 2y minus 1, and then the other side divided by 2y minus 1. Okay, so now let's go. In the left hand side, we're going to be left with dy all over dx, and then in the right hand side, we'll be left with 1 minus 2x all over 2y minus 1. Yes, so therefore, the differentiation of the function with respect to x squared plus y squared is equal to x plus y plus 8 is giving us dy all over dx is equal to 1 minus 2x all over 2y minus 1. Yes, thank you very much. Let's take more examples. Let's go.